This is the chocolate and amber cold process soap. These have already been wrapped, so this is after the cure. You might want to pop back over to this part of the video once you see the cut, because this is so much darker now, well after the cure, versus when you cut it. So some of the swirls you really can't see very well. I mean, you can see kind of the orange ones from the copper colored mica, but this color is from the discoloration of the fragrance oil, and this is how dark it gets. This is the chocolate and amber. This was unfortunately a discontinued fragrance oil from Brambleberry that I have made quite a few times throughout the years. So I used what I had left, and then I mixed in just the straight amber fragrance oil from Brambleberry as well as the chocolate fragrance oil from Essential Depot, and it smells absolutely amazing. This one I did in a bigger batch. I made some handmade molds this year using the kind of the corrugated plastic board, and I did a 40 bar mold. So I don't have a container, a bowl quite big enough, so I ended up using a 5-gallon bucket to do that, and then poured it into the mold that gave me 40 bars. So I have different designs on each one, which is so cool. That's what I love about the hanger swirls. If we can see it through that shrink wrap, but each swirl is completely different on there. But they're so cool looking. So that is the dark color, discoloration, is from that fragrance oil. I use a honey beige mica and a copper mica. Both of those are from Brambleberry as well. And then I mixed in some uncolored and unscented batter so I could have some of those light colors. So the ones that I did the drop swirls in before I did the hanger swirl, those do not have any fragrance in them. The only thing that has a fragrance in it is this bottom part here. And I didn't have any issues with acceleration or anything like that. So I went ahead, poured it, and put it in the oven to gel. I like to gel all of my soaps. So I'm going to cut over now to the actual making of this soap. But I love this one. It is available now while supplies last.